Today we're making a cozy vegan pot pie casserole. Simple veggies, warm flavors, and a biscuit topping that makes it feel like pure comfort. Here's what I'm using: onion, garlic, celery, carrots, peas, corn, potatoes, chickpeas, black pepper, paprika, thyme, vegetable broth, a splash of plant milk, and a quick flour slurry to thicken it. We'll top everything with easy drop biscuits. Warm a little oil in your pan and add onion, garlic, celery, and carrots. Cook until everything softens and starts smelling good. Add potatoes, peas, corn, and your chickpeas. Give it a quick stir so everything comes together. Now season everything with black pepper, paprika, and dried thyme, giving the vegetables a good coating. Pour in the vegetable broth, followed by a small splash of plant milk to start building that creamy base. Stir in your flour slurry and let it simmer until the filling thickens into a creamy pot pie base. Pour the thickened vegetable filling into your baking dish and spread it out evenly. You want everything smooth and ready for the topping. Take a small handful of biscuit dough, roll it into a ball, gently flatten it with your hands and lay the pieces across the top. They'll bake into a golden, cozy crust. Golden, bubbly, and full of simple flavor. This vegan pot pie casserole brings comfort straight to your table. For the full recipe, check out the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.